Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Success Beast here. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website through Bluehost.com. Just so you know, I myself have a Bluehost website. I absolutely love it. 95% of the websites on Bluehost are mobile friendly, which is very, very important, especially during the time where 75% of the content that is viewed online is done using your mobile phone. Okay, so the best way to start, the easiest way to start, is to go ahead and click on the link in the description box below this video underneath the words Get Bluehost. Go ahead and click on that link. That will take you to this page right here, and then click on this big green button that says Get Started Now, and we can get started. All right, guys, so here we are on the Select Your Plan page, and as you can see, you have three different plan options: the basic plan, the plus plan, and the prime plan. The basic plan is $3.95 per month, and the plus and prime plans are both $5.95 per month. Now, I know it gives you the categories here on the left-hand side for you to compare the three different plans, but honestly, guys, the most important difference between these three plans are that the basic plan is only for one website, and the plus and prime plans are both for multiple websites. So if you're somebody that already has a website and is looking for more websites, more than one, then I highly recommend the plus or the prime plans. The only difference between these two plans are that the prime plan gives you a little bit more in extension dollars, and it also gives you $200 in advertising money, which you can use for Google AdWords and other forms of advertising. However, if you're somebody who's brand new, I highly recommend the basic plan for one website. That way you can just get in the door and get started. Okay, so go ahead and click select on the plan of your choice, and let's continue on to the next page. Okay, so here we are on the sign up now page, and this is my favorite part of the sign up process because this is where you choose the domain name for your website. An example of a domain name would be like Facebook.com or Google.com. For those of you that already have a domain name, which you may have purchased on GoDaddy.com or a similar site, you can just go to the section on the right that says, I have a domain name, enter that name into the box and click next. But for those of you that are brand new, you are in luck because Bluehost actually gives you your domain name for free as part of your package. So go ahead and go to the section on the left that says new domain, enter the domain name of your choice. The website will let you know if it's available or not. Once you find something that you're happy with, go ahead and click next, and we can go on to the next page. All right, so here we are on the create your account page, and as you can see, Bluehost gives you the option to sign in with your Google Gmail account, which will basically fill in a lot of the information below, or you can just go in and enter it through yourself. And it's pretty basic information: first name, last name, street address. There is a section that says business name. If you don't have a business name, don't worry about it. That is optional. You can leave it blank. There are a few add-ons at the bottom. You can do whatever you like with that. The only one that I recommend would be the privacy protection plan, which is about $10 per month. And this basically protects all of the information that you just put in. Then I would click on the button that says sign up, and let's go on to the next page. Okay, great news. We are almost done, guys. We are on the admin information page, and this is where you are going to put your website name, which in many cases is very similar to your domain name, except without the .com or the .net. So, for example, if Facebook.com was the domain name, The website name would be Facebook. Okay. In addition, you need to enter in the email address that you're going to be using for this website. And you also need to create a username and a password. Once you do that, click on the button that says Next, and we are almost done. Let's go. Okay guys, once your installation is successful, go ahead and click on your domain link and it will take you to this page right here. And on this page, all you do is enter through your username and password, which you just created. And there's a box at the bottom that says Remember Me, which allows WordPress to remember your username and password. I highly recommend not clicking that. Hackers are very intelligent these days, and it's just safer to keep that information stored somewhere on your computer, and then click on the button that says Login, and let's go on to the next page. And congratulations guys, you have successfully created your own WordPress Bluehost website. There is a question below that says, what kind of site can we help you set up? And you have the option to either click business or personal. That's really up to you. This may be a business site or this may be more of a personal blog site. It is completely up to you. There is, however, one recommendation that I would like to give. Once you begin the process of building your website, I would highly recommend going to the official Bluehost YouTube channel. On that channel, they have a 10-part tutorial series that is very helpful in helping you create and build your website. It is what I used on my website and it helped me a great deal, and I highly recommend that to you as well. Okay? Good luck guys. This is a new beginning for a lot of you, and honestly, if you felt my video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And most importantly, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts and let me know if there's anything that I can do to assist you. Good luck.